everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm using the screen recorder called Screencast-O-Matic. I think it automatically uploads to YouTube. If it doesn't, then it's probably the recorder does, but I hope I don't have to do it. My display is getting like almost done. And I don't want to fix it, that's where I get all the free time. Well, anyways, I need your help there, guys. I'm like reaching 30 to 35 subscribers. Just reached 35 subscribers now. When this video will be views. Let me subscribe, either subscribe or watch. Subscribe to this video to get me to 1,000 views. Get me to 40 subscribers because I need to find like some ideas. I don't know what to do, subscribers. Because I'm like, I don't even know 5 subscribers. I'm like 5 subscribers away from like 40. And I have something special planned for 50. We have like everything special planned for 50. Yeah, for 50 subscribers, I will do like a special video where I first start off with the Roblox video, and then a game Roblox video, and a thank you video, and a live stream watching my old videos on YouTube. Yeah, of for this live stream, I'm gonna be scrolling down here. Watching everything from the selection, and yes, including my off-brand commercial. I mean, I don't think they're off-brand. Look, I was just trying to look for a word, low effort commercial breaks, something like this. Yeah, I will react to those. I don't know how I reached 2.8 thousand views. Well, that video got taken down now. With the video I was screen recording with the commercial, that got taken down. Yeah, it also has no audio. It's kind of sad because, you know, it's taken down and it's like a low effort. We're gonna redo it with another screen recorder. We've never got around to it. Now we'll also react to my reversed videos and also the last video I made before my break. Was I made a Foursquare episode on YouTube, posted to YouTube because you know how to do these interstitial recreations, like you know what Christian the Thomas and friends did. And you know, like what was this guy's name? That guy, I haven't seen him on my recommended for a long time. Yeah, and I need an idea for 40 subscribers. So if you have any good ideas, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do them. I'll do whatever the first comment says. Or okay, no. Just to make it fair, I'll just spin a wheel on some website that I found. You know, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. And yeah, if you're asking me to do a live stream reaction to my old videos, I'm saving that for 50. If you guys are really, I guess if the wheel hits it, then I'll have to scrap that off my 50 list. Other than that, just give me ideas in the comments. For now, thank you guys for watching. And also, stay safe. Happy Easter. Goodbye. Okay.